I'm going to show you how to make this 3-ingredient delicious snack, and then we're going to make it better. Which one was 3 ingredients? I don't remember. Damn. So you've probably seen the Facebook Reels and the Instagram Reels where people are doing like the low carbs, keto recipes, or just 3-ingredient snacks. Well, here's one of them. We got the canned chicken, we got the cheese, and we got the eggs. That's all it needs. So we're going to put it together, we're going to show you how to make it, and then we're going to make it better. Alright, so we got the 3 ingredients, the chicken, the egg, and the cheese. We're going to put them together, then we're going to make some patties, and then we're going to put it in the air fryer. So we're just going to make the chicken nuggets. You're just going to grab a handful. If you notice, the space right here is actually the perfect shape to form your chicken nuggets. So once you think you've got enough, go ahead and set it down on the plate. Also, a little pro tip that I learned while testing this recipe is you want to preheat your air fryer or your oven, however you're going to do it. Timer temperature is the same, and then you're going to go ahead and stick them in. So if you are just pulling your air fryer out now, you want to go ahead and get it nice and warm, and at least for like 3 or 4 minutes should be good, and then you'll be able to go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and turn it on. We're going to leave it at 370. We're going to do it for 8 minutes. And go. Alright, and now I'm going to be a little bit cheeky. I'm going to grab this shot right here at the camcorder. Alright, look at that. You hear that? Oh my god. That sounds great. They look good already, but we got to flip them over and do one more on the other side for another 8 minutes, 7-8 minutes. Okay? Alright, these are done, and they are crispy and they are sizzling, and I can't wait to give these a try. Okay, and now time for the taste test. Let's just grab this one right here and see how good it is. That's not bad. That's not bad. But it's canned chicken. I don't think we want that. So I'm going to show you how I make these better. Let's do it. Okay, so as you saw at the reveal, we're going to be using real, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We're also going to be using salt, pepper, and onion and garlic powder with the Colby cheese, and I'm going to throw in a little bit of mozzarella for a little bit better flavor. So, everything else is the same. We're going to make the patties the same way, we're going to cook it the same way, but then we're going to do a taste test at the end and see how it turns out. See you guys in a minute. Okay, so this right here is the cool part. We're going to shred the chicken now. And the way you do it is you put it in your KitchenAid with your paddle attachment, and you turn it on about medium speed and shred the chicken. You don't have to touch it. That's the easiest way I've ever found to shred chicken. It looks good, you know. It's not clumped up. It's shredded real nice. There are a couple little clumps maybe, but oh yeah. That's a lot better than canned chicken, that's for sure. Okay, now they're finally done. So one of these has 3 ingredients and one has 7. One took about 15 minutes to make, one took about 30. So, which one's which? Can you tell? A or B? So one of these has canned chicken, one of these has regular, you know, skinless, boneless chicken breasts. And this is it. This is the one. And it's better. It's better in many ways. It smells better, it tastes better, it has the same crunch, but in my opinion, if I were going to make it, I would just spend the extra 15 minutes and I would do this. This is cool if all you have is canned chicken, but it just doesn't compare to using real chicken. And I even made some McDonald's sweet and sour sauce, so I'm going to give it a try. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh my God, that's so good. That's so good. The shredded chicken with all the seasonings I put in it, with the crunch and the sweet and sour sauce, it's amazing. I'll show you guys how to make this in another video when I'm doing sauces, like for my hot wing sauce and stuff like that. But yeah, I would definitely spend the extra few minutes to do the shredded chicken version versus the canned chicken version. This is good if that's all you have. It's not bad, but this, I mean, for a little extra effort, it's a lot better. So, I have another video to show you guys. Check in the link in the description below or on the end card right over here. And stay tuned. More stuff coming.